Well, the Braves find a way to lose another one. We got all those players that we're not paying hardly anything for. What's the old saying? You get what you pay for. Plenty of time to talk about that down the road. Let's go over some weather. First of all, there are no watches or warnings in our area right now. What we're looking at is there is some storms in the Arklatex, that is the corner of Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas, and that is going to come across our area tomorrow morning. Now then, the warm front is going to be zooming up from the Gulf of Mexico, just showering us with nice, rich Gulf moisture, and so this is a concern. Um, and it is also a concern that the overnight activity that we're going to get may encounter surface-based CAPE. You'll remember CAPE, as we've discussed, is just parameters um, that is measured that you measure thunderstorms by. Anything over 1,000 is not good. You've got to watch it, and they're saying that they could be close to 3,000 at the height of this. So that's something to be concerned about. You'll notice this is the satellite graph here, the graphic, and you'll see that and see that the red there. So that's something we're concerned about. This is future radar. This goes from right now, basically, all the way through tomorrow. And so you'll see tomorrow during the peak hours, there looks like there's some going to be some activity. Now, this is just speculation. This is a future radar. That's they named it future radar, but it gives us a glimpse and a good idea of what could be happening days down the road. It's an invaluable tool. It's not right all the time, but it's sure not wrong all the time either. Um, so, um, another thing we're concerned about is wind shear. And you'll remember we've discussed that wind shear is the variation in the wind speed by a direction over a short distance within the atmosphere. So when we have that wind shear over an area and you get all the moisture and the CAPE is high, etc., you got the dew point that is high, it doesn't bode well for calm weather. Now then, the jet that we've been talking about the last I've been talking about. I'm sorry, the jet. I didn't see my counter, and I thought I was talking to myself. I'm sorry, I didn't have my screen, my window opened up all the way. The jet we've been talking about the last few days um, is going to be potentially be ripe for tornado development, large hail as well, and so we've got to monitor that because the low level jet could increase the tornado potential again tomorrow afternoon as well. Basically, here's the deal. I think here, as you look at some more graphics that I'm putting up here, here's the deal. The severe weather, the worst of it is not going to really be expected, the real organized part of it, till 3 to 6 a.m. in the northwest counties. That's Marion, Lamar, Fayette, Franklin, uh, I think part of Walker. So, but as that slides on, uh, we're looking for some thunder, some heavy rain. Severe thunderstorm can't be ruled out. So don't take this thing lightly just because uh, we're not really forecasting that we're going to get something big overnight. We can because these conditions are coming together. So just beware of that. Also, while I've got it on my mind, The NOAA weather radio was down. Birmingham transmitter was down this morning. I don't know if it's back up. I haven't seen anything saying that it's back up, and I didn't press my button to check. So go press your button, and there are some alternate frequencies that you'll need to know tonight. Today of all days, it would have to go down, but But anyway, what I was saying is the storms that come across tonight, they may settle everything down. Tomorrow may be a somewhat of a benign day. It's not looking like that. But if the atmosphere recovers enough tomorrow midday through tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at some big storms. So we're just going to have to wait and see how all this plays out. It's going to be a numbers game, really, to see if the numbers are going to get there and if they're going to be able to recover. Okay, I'll be here off and on all night, and so a lot of them may just be written, typed updates. I don't know how many of them will be video, but anyway, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I can promise you that. I don't do this for my ego because it sounds fun and I got those fancy little advanced storm spotters. No, I take this seriously. And remember now, the guys on TV know a lot more than I do. So if there's a difference there, you lean toward them and you take what they say over what I say every time, please. All right. Lord willing, catch you after a while. Sleep good. And hopefully we won't have anything overnight, and I'll touch base with you again real soon. Good night.